Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest financial hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from PayPal to Remitly in 2025. With international transfers becoming more common, this step-by-step guide will help you move funds smoothly and securely. Whether you're sending money to family abroad or managing personal finances, let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have active accounts on both PayPal and Remitly. If you don't, head to their websites or apps to sign up. It's quick and free. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet or balance section. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Funds option. Here, select your linked bank account as the destination. Enter the amount you want to transfer, double-check for any fees, and confirm the transaction. Remember, PayPal transfers to your bank usually take 1 to 3 business days, so plan ahead. Once the money hits your bank account, it's time to switch to Remitly. Open the Remitly app or website and log in. Go to the Add Money or Fund Your Account section. Choose the option to add funds from your bank account. Select the same bank you linked earlier, enter the amount, and verify the details. Remitly will handle the transfer quickly, often within minutes. A quick tip: always check for currency exchange rates and any additional fees on both platforms to avoid surprises. If you're transferring larger amounts, consider verifying your identity on Remitly for faster processing. And don't forget, in 2025, both services might have updated features like enhanced security or instant transfers, so keep an eye on their apps for the latest options. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal to Remitly in just a few simple steps. It's all about staying organized and secure with your finances. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.